I'm going to show you how to use your phone like a computer. Click on Word and it picks up your files that you normally have on the cloud, and the sound is coming from the audio of the phone. What are going on, optimizers? What's up? Optimized Living coming to you again with another great device. I'm coming to you today to show you how to use your phone, primarily the Note, as a PC replacement. Yes, my friends, you can use your phone as a PC or a computer or a laptop replacement. If you know what you're doing, it's quite simple. You can use it to do whatever you want, or you normally use your computer and do those stuff, whether it be for productivity, for work, or to have fun. I'm going to show you how to do it. Alright, so as you can see right now, I have the keyboard here. I have the phone here, which is the Note 10, and I have the Game Sir here, right? And I'm going to show you how to use all of these devices, including this mouse, to use your phone like a computer. Alright? Stay tuned. Okay, we're back. So pretty much what we use this device here. Alright? It's called a charger port or a dongle for the phone. Alright, as you can see from the back of it, it has a USB 3.0 slot, it has a NIC slot, it has a HDMI slot which we plug to the TV or the monitor, and a charging port for it. Alright, so as you can see, it's using this dongle here. Alright, so it's quite efficient and effective. So what this allows you to do is basically sync your phone, right? So you plug your phone in, to just plug it in with this device, and once you plug it in, it picks it up. Alright, so you see it come up right there now. All the happenings on your phone is being shown on the monitor. But what I've also done is to sync or to pair this Bluetooth mouse, which you know you normally do it, with the phone, right? By going in to my Bluetooth settings, right? In the settings area, right? As you can see there, and setting it up for Bluetooth. So it picks it up. You use the button at the bottom, the base of the mouse, and pair it with the phone. Alright, so guys, if you were using the phone, for example, to do your Word and Excel and those lovely things you'd normally do on your PC, right, you would now go to this area. Alright, and as you can see, this is where all the apps are on the device. Right, and we're gonna search for a Word and Excel. Alright, so as you can see, here is Excel. And it's configuring. It says configuring Office, fetching your files. So not only does it just have a base operation or a basic operating of the app, it basically pulls down files from the cloud for you that you had on your PC, right, to facilitate you using the device effectively. this is an awesome thing. This is a big deal because it's not all the time you want to lug around a laptop. Sometimes you're in areas and you're mobile and you just want something to just quickly take notes or do your spreadsheet or open up file. It is good that this facilitates it. Alright, so as you can see, it's right here right now, and it's quite simple. Alright, so guys, all you do now is just click on whatever file you have open. For example, I'm opening this file. I don't probably have to use this one. I can use another one here. Okay, let's open a regular file. Let's go back to the Excel sheet, and you can click new, creating a file, continue, and oh, it wants my fingerprint because I've set it up with the access to use my fingerprint sensing. Alright, and there it is. It opens up. Alright, so all I have to do is just go in, maximize the thing like I'm using it on a regular, and there it is, guys. You can type up stuff in there. As you can see, it works fine. Nothing wrong with it here. Alright, and it's there, showing all the capabilities that you'd normally get from Excel and all of those things. Alright, so yeah, it works there. But if you're using like Word also, same thing. Click on Word and it picks up your files that you normally have on the cloud. There it is, fully functional, typing in stuff. You can draw your lines, all of those great stuff that you normally do. Whatever it is, yeah, it's there. So you know, it's a great situation where you have you're going on the road, as I said, and you have your phone with you. You just take out your phone, plug your thing into the monitor, and what makes it all possible is this dongle here. Alright, the Triplite dongle. Alright, so I'm gonna put a link in the description for you to pick up one. But before I do that, I'm just gonna show you some other things that you can use this bad boy to do. Alright, so one moment. Alright guys, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna use this device here, the Game Sir, to play some games that are on the phone, and we're gonna show you how it works effectively, just like your computer or console. Alright, so we're gonna bring out the phone now, and what we're gonna do first off, don't know if you can see it here, but we're gonna go to the phone in the settings area, and we're gonna go to connections, Bluetooth, and we're gonna search for the console. Alright, so we're gonna hold down, we're gonna scan again and hold down the buttons here, and we'll see if we pick up the device. Here it is. It says pairing. Alright, so we're gonna pair it now, and we're gonna start the game. Alright, it says paired, connected, game sir. Alright, we're gonna start the game. Also, we're gonna ensure that our mouse is connected too. Yeah, both of them are connected. Alright, so we can start the game here. I'm gonna close this and let's start the game. I'm gonna go for a timed race and a normal race. And there it is, guys. Alright. Alright, here it is. Moving around with the control. Woo! And the sound is coming from the audio of the phone. It's not bad, as you can see. Alright. So, as you can see, it responds quite well. It's a timed event, so yeah. So that's one of the options that you can use right there. Alright. You can also use the phone as entertainment for your movies and all of that. So for example, alright, let's see. Alright, so this is an app that we have put on the device that we can watch live TV. Click on it. Let's click and see what's available. Alright. Alright, so for example, we can use our phone right now and just go to a station and just watch one of these apps that we have available. Right? I'm gonna click on air,
A piece of land they didn't
and there
own
it is.
that was owned
That's
by
a
a white
live
person,
station going
and they
on
had to share
right now.
crops and pay
All right.
rent. Many people
So
saw
we're
this
gonna
as
come
an
out of
extension
that.
of slavery.
You can also go to other areas that you can use to watch like your movies and TV show. Alright, so let's show you one of them here. Alright, so for example, alright, this is Queen of the South. Alright, you can watch that. You use it to watch the TV show here. As you can see, it's quite clear there. Click on that and it basically loads the sources of the shows that you want to watch on the television from the phone. Alright, so pretty much there's no limit to it. It's quite effective. Alright, so guys, this is just an awesome way how to, use your phone, use this, and then we're gonna just hook it up to our TVs and our monitors and just extend all of the capabilities of the device. Alright, so guys, remember, please subscribe, please like, please share, please hit the notification bell for this and more. For sure, you can basically look for more from us. And guys, this is just an awesome way to use your phone as an extension for your entertainment, for your work, just to have with the full capabilities of a PC or any other computer device, but it's in the palm of your hand. Alright, so take care guys, until I see you again. Optimize Living out.